Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you all had a great Thanksgiving with friends and family. Today, we have an especially great video. The reason why I say it's so great is because I'm going to be showing you how to save some money today. In particular, this video is going to be helping you save some money if you're looking to buy Windows 10 Pro. So, it's going to be particularly helpful for those of you who either have an old PC and are running an old version of Windows and you're looking to upgrade, or maybe you just built a new PC, or that's your profession, you build PCs very often, and you're trying to save money on buying Windows because typically it could be pretty expensive, especially if you're looking to get it multiple times. Regardless, even if you're only looking to buy Windows 10 Pro once, you should always be trying to save money anyway. I'm your friendly neighborhood tech guy Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you how to save money on buying Windows 10 Pro. Before we get started, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that this video is sponsored by CDKoffers. CDKoffers specialize in providing a diverse selection of digital codes for the latest and hottest products, including software like Windows 10 keys for tons of different video games. CDKoffers carries product keys at discounted prices with instant delivery through their automated checkout system. CDKoffers carries everything from Steam keys, PlayStation Network cards, and PC games, expansion packs, and software keys. So check them out at CDKoffers.com or click the link to their website in the description down below. And make sure to use my discount code OO20 at checkout for an additional 20% off your purchase. Now that we have that out of the way, if you haven't guessed it by now, the solution to saving money on a Windows 10 Pro key is actually CDKoffers. I actually came across this website called CDKoffers while I was looking for an excellent way to save money on buying some software. Personally, I was so satisfied with the service and prices that they offered that I decided that I would actually make a video for you guys about them. And it also led to the first sponsorship on this channel, so I'm really happy about that as well. I believe that CDKoffers is a great solution to anyone who's trying to buy Windows 10 Pro at a discounted price. Just so you can have direct proof of how amazing CDKoffers is, if you go ahead and look at Microsoft's website, you'll see that attempting to buy Windows 10 Pro will cost you around $199. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have $199 to be throwing around every single time I build a PC. CDKoffers actually offers an OEM version of Windows 10 or an original equipment manufacturer's key. The difference between a regular Windows key and an OEM Windows key is that a regular one would be linked to your Microsoft account. What that means is that in case anything happens to your PC, you could always have your Windows restored through your account, and it also has access to Microsoft's warranty. An OEM Windows key would actually be linked to your motherboard, so if something was to happen to your motherboard and you had to replace it, you would actually lose your Windows. However, even if something happened to your motherboard, considering the price at which CDKoffers.com is offering Windows 10 Pro, you would actually have to buy it a minimum of 16 times before you reach the standard $199 that Microsoft typically charges for this software. So for me, it's just better to buy the OEM key rather than just going with the Microsoft one for the warranty because it's that much cheaper anyway. Now for this next part of the video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you can actually purchase an OEM Windows 10 Pro key from CDKoffers.com. The first step in buying your Windows 10 Pro key is going to be to make an account by signing up at CDKoffers. After that, simply click on Buy Now and use my discount code OO20 for an additional 20% off. So once you finish typing OO20 and hit Apply, as you can see, it changes the price to $11.89. Once the discount has been applied, all you have to do is simply hit Submit Order. Then simply choose your payment method of choice to check out. Please note that there might be an additional service fee depending on how you choose to check out. Personally, I'm going to go ahead and use PayPal. Once you've completed your purchase, simply go to My Purchased Orders where you can view all of your purchase codes and keys, and then click on the View Keys/Codes button. Next, you simply hit Get the Key, copy your key number, type activation in your Windows search bar, click on Activation Settings, click on Change Product Key, paste and hit Next and then activate. Congratulations, you now have Windows 10 Pro and you saved a lot of money while buying it. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that way you never miss out on future videos. If you guys want to give me any suggestions for future videos, be sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Also, feel free to let me know what you thought about this one. If you have any additional questions on how to complete your purchase from CDKoffers, you can actually jump in my stream at twitch.tv/MichaelCMoore while I'm live to ask me any questions you might have. Remember, I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Sometimes I'm live on Saturday as well. Also, consider joining the Discord where you can have conversations with other people that are very enthusiastic about tech and content creation as well. Talking with some of our members might be very interesting for you, or you could also go ahead and jump in there and flex the new knowledge that you gained from this video as well. You can find the links to all of those in the description down below, and you can also find my socials there as well in case you want to give me a follow or a sub to support me. Again, thank you CDKoffers for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching it. Until next time, see ya.
Oh, what the hell? Let's go headbutt status, boy. Oh wait,
Why is a side smash like that?
I know, right? He's a very weird character. Now you see why I always tell you, oh, I'm gonna make Snake happen, and then it never happens because he's just sus. Luckily for me, I play him enough to know how to get around most of his BS. You liked that, didn't you? I set that up so hard